Okay, today I'm gonna to show you how to install the Windows NT4 into the Hyper-V. Okay, first of all, we open the Hyper-V manager, and then name the Hyper-V the winNT and select your location's destination. I set my destination to a V drive. Okay, we assign the memory, and then okay, we give it 2 GB. Next, and select your NT installations disk image. Okay, finish it. After Hyper-V build the VM, and then we go to the VM and select setting. As my video shows, first we right click select setting, and then we click on the network adapter and remove this. Apply. Second, click add hardware and select Legacy network adapter, add, and select your network card. Okay, apply it. Double click the virtual machine winNT and press start. Then it will be processing and the bond up the blue screen and restart itself. Because Windows NT 4.0 issues almost 20 years and your system doesn't recognize it. So we need to tell the Hyper-V to compatible with i386 CPU architecture. Then please type in the command as my notepad shows. Select the command and paste it in your PowerShell. Start the VM once again. Okay, now you can boot your system and install the Windows NT normally as your physical PC. Here is the conclusion of this video. The first one is using the Hyper-V build a dummy VM. And second, NT only supports smaller than 4G OS. Number 3, remove the Hyper-V default network adapter and add the Legacy network adapter. 4, enter compatible backward processors command in the PowerShell. Okay, this tutorial is end up here. Please subscribe and give the link. If you have any question, please leave a message and I will reply to you later. Bye.